Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate LinkedIn learning quizzes to track progress, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate LinkedIn learning quizzes and track your progress, begin by logging into your LinkedIn learning account. Navigate to your desired course or module that contains quizzes. Once inside the course, proceed to the lesson featuring the quiz you wish to take. Carefully review the quiz instructions and requirements outlined at the beginning. Click on the Start Quiz button to initiate the quiz. Ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection throughout the process. As you answer each question, take your time to ensure accuracy and understanding. Review your responses before submitting the quiz to avoid any errors. After submission, you will receive immediate feedback on your performance. To track your progress, return to the course dashboard after completing the quiz. Locate the My Learning section, where you can view your completed quizzes and overall progress. Check the completion status indicated next to each module or lesson. If needed, revisit any quizzes to improve your scores and understanding. Take advantage of LinkedIn Learning's features to revisit course materials for better retention. Regularly check your progress to stay motivated and focused on your learning goals. Utilize the insights provided by LinkedIn Learning to identify areas for improvement. Maintain a consistent learning schedule to effectively track and enhance your progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.